Hello there, this is your Thursday video, and we are shooting it a few days before Thursday. Well, it's Saturday actually. And I decided we should come to this beautiful nature trail near the lake in Chandigarh so you could see some wildlife. Hopefully a leopard or two. I'm just kidding, we don't hope to see any leopards, we certainly don't want to meet any of them. But we are walking on this trail and we're gonna have a small picnic. And the most beautiful part about it is right behind the lake at Chandigarh. And not many people come here because they simply don't know about it. And I think you can see the lake now. It's right over there. Just beyond those bushes over there. It's a quiet afternoon, it's sunny, it's an autumn day. So even though it's quite warm, it's not really hot. And it's just a beautiful day to be enjoyed outdoors. And just walking on the trail, we found a feather of a raptor or another bird of prey. It's amazing. And we're gonna have our picnic around here in this hut-like structure or a watchtower-like structure that they've so generously provided to sit and relax. And you can see a glimpse of the lake behind those trees over there. But to be honest, we were prepared for much worse. We even had a ground sheet and a small shelter. Not that we'd need this because we are pretty much in an urban environment at the moment. Oh, and I had prepared for myself some entertainment, a book that explains everything. And after I read this, I'll be able to explain you everything on YouTube much better. And as the day comes to an end, we're almost done with our little excursion. And that's the far end of the lake that here in Chandigarh almost nobody ever sees. It's mostly the abode of migratory birds, domestic birds, and loads of other small creatures. It's a nice dense forest here. And we had the most wonderful time. I sat most of the time reading before I came down looking for my boyfriend because he was lost in the jungle. And now we are done with the place. We will be soon making our way back down that trail that you see over, the sun shining on that direction, and back home. I think I like this place and I'd like to return here more often. Maybe with a bit more elaborate trips planned. It's so quiet here. And quiet is something that's mostly at a premium. You might have heard a bus horn. So even in the quietest of places, you see and you hear things that our ever-sprawling civilization has brought to the remotest parts. I like a bit of nature, but to be honest, there are not many places in India where you can be in a city and you can have such wonderful atmosphere at the same time. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this week's video, which was all about just prancing about a jungle, I suppose. If you like these videos, please do subscribe. I make videos every Thursday. And hit the like button too. Take care. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy. Bye bye.